In this video, we are counting down the top 15 more Turkish series, starting with number 1. Hayaller ve Hayatlar, Dreams and Realities. This series follows four ambitious young women living in the lower-class districts of Istanbul, each chasing big dreams while struggling with the harsh reality of life. Dicle wants to be a writer but works for a sign maker. Gunesh dreams of being a justice-driven lawyer but is stuck in small foreclosure cases. Setne hopes to be a curator but is underappreciated in a second-rate gallery. And Mileki wants to be a top contractor but barely survives as a landlord. Their lives take a shocking turn after the sudden death of their friend Miriam, whose mysterious passing becomes the central puzzle tying the story together. What I liked most is the mix of mystery, romance, and strong female friendship, along with well-acted characters and engaging side stories. The series also does a good job at showing personal struggles, dreams versus reality, and the bonds of loyalty. However, it drags at times, too much focus on endless crying and talking about Miriam's death instead of actually solving the mystery. Some love stories lacked spark, and certain couples had weak chemistry that made their plots less interesting. Despite this, the show had beautiful visuals, touching moments of friendship, and enough intrigue to keep me watching. Overall, it's a unique blend of romance and mystery, enjoyable for fans of both, but it definitely needed tighter pacing and a second season for proper closure. Number 2. Ramo. The series tells the captivating tale of Ramo, inspired by a real person, who defies his superiors, diving into a world of family, justice, revenge, friendship, and love. Ramo is part of a gang involved in diesel fuel smuggling, working under the control of a powerful local family. Despite their efforts, they receive meager rewards. Ramo, driven by a desire for justice, rebels against the oppressive system, echoing his father's past actions. While he confronts not only his enemies but also his own family and friends, his deepest motivation lies in his personal wounds. His unwavering determination is further tested when he falls in love with Sibel, the daughter of his archenemy, adding a complex layer to his already tumultuous journey. What will happen next? Watch this series to find out. Number 3. Indina Ashk. Indina Ashk follows Daphne, a bright computer engineer from the Black Sea region, begins her first day at Aras Technology, where she immediately clashes with the charming yet infuriating CEO, Yalin. After a series of misunderstandings, including a playful encounter where Yalin disguises his identity, Daphne, feeling humiliated, resigns. Meanwhile, her brother Chinar complicates things further by falling for Yalin's sister, Yesim, creating an awkward connection between their families. As Yalin tries to apologize for his initial behavior, Daphne struggles with her job challenges and her brother's overprotectiveness. The tension between Daphne and Yalin gradually shifts as they face their stubbornness and undeniable chemistry. Amidst the chaos of family dynamics and workplace antics, will love bloom between the two, or will their differences keep them apart? Indina Ashk captivates with its hilarious chemistry between leads Can Yaman and Achalya Topaloglu, bringing charm and laughter to a romantic comedy setting. While the series features entertaining moments and well-executed comedic timing, many viewers express frustration over its abrupt ending, leaving unresolved storylines and character arcs. Still, the strong performances, particularly Yalin's sweet nature and Daphne's comedic flair, make it worth watching, even if viewers wish for a more satisfying conclusion. Overall, a fun ride that could have benefited from a proper final. Number 4. Full Moon. In the series Full Moon, Dolunay Najli, a talented young chef, takes on a part-time job as a private chef for the wealthy businessman Ferit. Despite Ferit's strict and disciplined nature, sparks begin to fly between them. However, their budding romance faces challenges when Najli's attempts to protect her sister lead to a misunderstanding at a questionable nightclub. Ferret's close friend sees Najli there, causing Ferret to believe she's after his wealth. This miscommunication strains their relationship. According to me, Dolunay is a series that initially promises a delightful mix of romance, comedy, and drama, but falls short as the plot becomes tedious, often skipping scenes. While the chemistry between Ferret and Najli is endearing, it sometimes feels forced. Number 5. Mr. Wrong. Mr. Wrong is a fantastic romantic comedy Turkish series where we see the story of Ezi, a public relations specialist who faces disappointments in her relationships. After a heartbreak, she focuses on her career, but suddenly she gets unemployed. One night, alone at a fancy restaurant, she meets Ozgur, played by John Yaman. Fate brings them together as neighbors. Friends warn against Ozgur, Mr. Wrong. Essie and Ozgur strike a unique deal. He becomes her relationship coach, and she pretends to be his girlfriend to avoid marriage pressure. Their unexpected connection forms the basis of the story. With witty humor, an engaging storyline, and outstanding performances, Mr. Wrong is a must-watch series for those seeking a modern, entertaining romantic comedy that challenges traditional clichés. Number 6. Early Birds. Sanem, a cheerful girl, works at a grocery shop and aspires to be a writer. Her life takes a turn folds as Sanem and John's paths cross in this romantic comedy. According to me, Early Birds is an absolute delight that has captivated me with its fresh take on romantic comedy. The lead actors, John and Sanem, have an electrifying chemistry that makes every episode a joy to watch. Number 7. Bash Belasi, Troublemaker. Bash Belasi is a Turkish TV series blending crime, comedy, and romance. It follows İpek Gümüşçü, a sophisticated young psychologist whose life is upended when her husband disappears after being involved in a financial scandal and murder. İpek, now a single mother, is determined to uncover the truth about her husband's death and becomes involved with the police. She starts working as a psychologist at the homicide unit led by Şahin Kara, a gruff and troubled police officer. Despite their contrasting personalities, İpek and Şahin are forced to work together to solve murder cases, with their professional relationship gradually evolving into something more complex. Alongside solving weekly cases, the show explores İpek's journey of self-reliance, navigating the loss of her perfect world while balancing her responsibilities as a mother. The dynamics between the police team, including Şahin's colleagues, add depth to the story, creating a blend of suspense, humor, and romance. Bash Belasi is a beautiful romantic comedy Turkish series where the chemistry between İrem Helvacoglu and Seçkin Özdemir is undeniable, bringing depth to their characters' evolving relationship. The show's blend of suspense, humor, and heart, along with strong female characters, makes it a standout among summer dishes. Despite its challenges with ratings, it remains an engaging and highly entertaining series. Number 8. Azize. Azize follows Melek Gunay, a young nurse whose life is shattered when her father, a respected ship captain, is murdered by the ruthless Alpan mafia family. After her father's death and her mother's subsequent mental breakdown, Melek, now under the new identity of Azize, seeks revenge. She infiltrates the Alpan family with a plan to destroy them from within. Years later, as Azize starts working as a nurse at a state hospital, she is forced back into the Alpan household after a failed assassination attempt on Balkan Alpan, which leaves Kartal, Iskender Alpan's son, critically injured. Azize saves Kartal's life and becomes his nurse, which complicates her revenge plan as she begins to fall in love with him. Azizi stands out as an exceptional Turkish drama with a gripping plot and remarkable performances, particularly from Hande Erçel and Burak Gülsoy. Despite its promising start, the show faced an abrupt cancellation after only 6 episodes due to disappointing ratings and sponsorship issues, leaving fans frustrated and craving more. The series combines mystery, romance, and drama, showcasing a compelling narrative of revenge and forbidden love. Its abrupt end left many viewers longing for closure, as the story was cut short just as it began to delve deeper into its complex characters and plot twists. The show's powerful chemistry between the leads and its high production quality highlighted its potential for greater success, possibly even on a global platform like Netflix. The passionate response from the fanbase underscores the show's impact and the deep disappointment over its premature cancellation. Number 9. Aşk. Aşk series revolves around Zeynep and Kara, whose worlds collide after a tragic night. Zeynep, an ardent lover of plants and daughter of a prominent economist, meets Kara, a reclusive figure with a vow to protect children from the shadows. As their contrasting lives intertwine, an unforeseen love blossoms. Against the backdrop of a monumental heist, secrets unravel, exposing a poignant truth that challenges their love and forces them to confront the haunting echoes of the past. The series masterfully blends romance, mystery, and a quest for truth into a spellbinding tapestry of emotions. Number 10. Kader Baglari. Kerem, a successful heir to a prominent winemaking family, and Sevda, a law student, share a captivating encounter at Kerem family's Montenegro vineyard. This meeting leads to an agreement to meet again a year later. However, destiny takes an unexpected turn, reuniting them in Istanbul, where Sevda works as a maid in Kerem's affluent family's household. The stark contrast in their social backgrounds creates conflict, but their undeniable love persists. Despite Kerem's family's disapproval, they are determined to surmount their class differences, embarking on a journey to live their love without limitations. According to me, Kader Baglari impresses me with its undeniable chemistry between Ayça Ayşin and Serkan Çayoglu, as well as its picturesque locations. While the storyline appears somewhat familiar, it promises a compelling love story and engaging drama ahead. With its talented cast and intriguing narrative, this Turkish series has captivated many viewers, including myself, and has the potential to become a beloved favorite.
Number 11.
Black Pearl. In Black Pearl, a waitress with dreams of marrying her fisherman lover Kenan faces upheaval when Veril, haunted by his wife's death, fixates on Hajal. To protect Kenan, Hajal sacrifices their love and agrees to marry Veril. As the tangled web of secrets unravels, Kenan seeks revenge, while Hajal navigates Veril's troubled past, questioning her own choices and struggling to find true love amidst adversity. Its captivating plot filled with twists and turns, engaging romance, and a well-portrayed cast, makes it a must-watch. While Hande Erçel's performance as Hajal is particularly praisable for its depth and range, keeping viewers hooked to the screen. The chemistry between the characters, especially Hajal and Kenan, adds to the appeal of the show, making it worth a watch for fans of romantic dramas. Number 12. Price of Passion. Price of Passion series tells us the story of a girl named Asli, a dedicated and free-spirited doctor, becomes unwittingly entangled with Farhat, a cold-hearted hitman working for his secretive biological father, Namik. As Farhat's criminal activities come to light, Asli's police officer brother, James, investigates, unaware that his sister is held captive. As the complex web of family secrets unravels, Asli discovers Namik's murderous past. Facing imminent danger, Farhat offers Asli an unexpected lifeline, marriage, unleashing a riveting tale of crime, loyalty, and an unconventional alliance that challenges their lives and loyalties. What will happen next? Watch this series to find out. Number 13. Kadi. Kadna is a gripping and emotional series that beautifully portrays the strength of a mother fighting for her children. It follows the journey of Bahar, a resilient young widow raising her two children, Nisan and Doruk, after the tragic death of her husband, Saap. Bahar, abandoned by her mother Hatije at the age of 8, has faced life's hardships alone. Despite her struggles, she manages to transform poverty into a joyful game for her children, finding strength in the memories of her late husband. Bahar's deep love for Saap keeps her going, though it also prevents her from opening her heart to new relationships. When Hatije reappears after 20 years, Bahar is forced to confront her painful past. However, their reunion is complicated by Bahar's half-sister Shireen, who does everything in her power to keep them apart. Hatije, torn between her two daughters, turns her back on Bahar to protect Shireen, leaving Bahar to rely on the support of her stepfather Enver and her close friend Yeliz. As Bahar navigates these emotional challenges, the series also explores the lives of other women around her. Hattie struggles with guilt over abandoning her child, Yele searches for love and stability, Jale chooses her career over motherhood, and Julaidi falls victim to her own beauty. Through it all, Bahar's story of survival, love, and sacrifice shines as she faces the harsh realities of life while finding the strength to keep moving forward. According to me, the most highlighting thing about this series is its acting, especially from Bahar and the child actors, is outstanding, making the story relatable and heartfelt. However, the series tends to over-exaggerate and drag out certain plot lines, particularly in the later seasons, which diminishes the overall impact. While the first season is highly engaging, the subsequent seasons struggle to maintain the same level of interest, leading to mixed feelings. Despite these flaws, the show remains a powerful exploration of love, sacrifice, and survival. Number 14. Jamdki Kiss. Jamdki Kiss follows Nalan, who is raised by her controlling grandmother Firaidi, and lives a sheltered life without love or freedom. Working at Koroglu Company, she meets Siddharth, the heir to the Koroglu family empire, who is entangled in a forbidden affair. Siddharth, pressured by his father Rafet to marry, sees Nalan as the perfect bride despite his ongoing affair. Nalan, unaware of Siddharth's double life, believes she's found her fairy tale love. As their worlds collide, secrets and conflicts arise, testing their desires and loyalties within the intricate web of family expectations and personal desires. Even though this series has a slow pace and occasional unbelievable moments, still the series offers a unique exploration of complex characters and societal issues, leaving viewers contemplating the complexities of human nature long after the final episode. Number 15. Bahar. Bahar, a helpful young woman, starts a vocational training course in Demir's neighborhood, where they clash but soon develop a bond. Demir saves Bahar from a fire, leading to their growing affinity. Aysun, in love with Demir, marries and kills Harun as part of a revenge plot. Bahar overhears Aysun's confession and suffers memory loss in a car accident orchestrated by Aysun. Aysun, fearing Bahar's recovery, mistreats her, while unaware Demir loves Bahar. Despite their love, Demir and Bahar face turmoil as Aysun's schemes unravel, revealing tangled connections and secrets. So, that's a wrap on today's video, friends. I hope you found some new Turkish series to add to your watch list.